Hi, my amazing planner friends. It's just for my magical planner and it's subscription day. So I have my Cocoa Daisy planner subscription here. I get the classic cousin kit, which means it is a extensive kit for my Hobonichi Cousin, and all stickers are sized for that. The kit itself is $19 plus shipping. So let's go ahead and open it. This should be my December stickers and see how they look. Ooh, pretty. That should be everything. So every month you get one of these little cards. It's on like a watercolor type paper. It tells you the name of the collection. This is Cedar and Snow. So you have lots of Christmassy things going on here. And then on this side, you have a little bit about the collection if you want to read into that. You can always pause and read it if you want to. And then here is the kit itself. It is a mostly on matte paper kit. There is one page that is on a vellum or transparent mat. And I think it's a 7-page kit. Gosh, sorry guys. 2, 5, 6, yeah, 7 pages. On our first page here, we get 6 full boxes, which is really awesome. Now, these boxes are about the length of a Happy Planner box, but the width of your Hobonichi columns. So we get a couple of really cute quotes on here. We get a December box, which works really nicely if you're doing the monthly page, because I feel like these stickers can work both in like the monthly section, the weekly section, and you can even adapt them for the daily pages as well with the sizing of the boxes. So it's pretty versatile. You get a couple of boxes that you can layer on top of, which is really nice. And it's a very customizable kit, I would say. And then down here at the bottom, we have some boxes. These all have the square corners on them. I mentioned that because on the next page, we're going to have some with rounded corners. So we have a couple here with specific things in them. We have celebration, stuff of note, and the best time. So we get all of those, and then we get some little flags here on the side, which are also really nice. These are in about the 1 hour bracket as far as sizing goes, as well as these little boxes down here at the bottom. Then we get a second page with 5 more full boxes to choose from, which are really nice. It looks like she's using a photo this month. Sometimes she does that and adds like a more realistic image in there. And then we get these rounded corner full boxes. These full boxes are about the size of your monthly square boxes on the monthly calendar. So that's why I say it can fit in any of them. You can also use them as full boxes on your weekly. It just depends on your taste. Then we have some half boxes down here. And as I mentioned, all of these have those rounded corners. Then we get this page, which is kind of your more functional page. So you get a bunch of scripts with like little icons connected to them on this page. These work really well on the weekly spread, I think. Most of them are things that I would put more on my weekly spread opposed to, my monthly spread, although you can use it on both. We also have habit trackers. There's 8 of them up here, so you have enough for the whole month. You get 2 clipboards with 5 hearts for checklist here, and then 2 with 7, which is really nice depending on your needs, and then a Monday through Sunday. This is the only Monday through Sunday that you get. However, with these clipboards being 7 check boxes down, you could convert those into weekly checklist if you wanted to. Then we have our deco page. So we have some really cute little deco that we can add into any spread. I like the clip this month. And then this is interesting. So we have this little, bobby pin here. And there is obviously a piece missing in this area. And I wonder if that's specifically meant so you can layer on top of it there. That would be my guess. And we have some really nice little greenery, some already layered items in here as well. And then down here at the bottom, we have like some little quotes that sometimes I feel like they can be used as like starting points for journaling. And sometimes I just think they're really cute quotes that you can include. So we have like warm drink, things to do, holiday bustle, stay inside, year in review. Baking up a storm. So like baking up the storm might be something that I would just put as a declaration, say on a day. where year in review might be something I would use as a journaling prompt, just to give you an example. Then we get this page, which is also a functional page, but a little bit different. So up here we have an entire alphabet, which works really nice if you're spelling out headers, or maybe you have a big trip or something like that. These are really helpful for that. You can even use them to spell out to do or today, whatever you want. And it coordinates with the whole kit. Then we have a couple of washi strips down here, and then the numbers down here. Now I have found that the numbers, at least for me, work best on either a daily page or on the monthly page, because they're a little bit big for me personally on the weekly pages, but it's everyone's taste, you know. I can link a plan with me where I've done stuff with her kits so you can see what they look like in action. So there's that. And then our next page has our days of the week on it. So there's usually 4 or 5 different ones on here. And I think she is shrinking these down because these look smaller than they have the last couple of months, which is nice because my biggest complaint has been, that it's a little hard to use them in the weekly section, which is where I use most of my stickers. And just because of the width, but you get a lot of different combinations in here. So they're really fun to play around with. And it just gives you a lot of variety. And then down here we have 4 menu plans for this week's and for next week's, and then a lot of coordinating icons. We have things like cameras, phones, little feet for like if you're doing a walk or something, or maybe you want to mark something for a baby, I don't know, something of that nature. Then we have these dumbbells here for working out. We have little dollar signs for marking, paydays or bills due, whatever. We have the spray bottle for cleaning. We have a laundry basket, a dishwasher, trash cans, the fork and knife. And then we have a washing machine down here. We have 2 birthdays, a suitcase, an airplane, and 2 cars. So it pretty much covers whatever you would need for the week. And then our last page here is on that transparent mat or vellum paper. So we get a bunch of little quotes. We get some kind of layering elements that we can use that are usually swatches. These are more complex swatches than I think she's done in the past. But we have things like there's no place like home, favorite time of the year, Alexa shovel the driveway. I like that. Can we make that happen? Cozy season, hello new year, goodbye 2024. And then here at the bottom, we have more of those washi strips. Now, the washi strips you don't get enough to go across an entire spread, but you have coordinating strips. So if you wanted to do something like that, I think they're more meant for either marking, specific events or for layering. But that's everything I get in my kit. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I just got back from vacation, so I'm still settling back in, but I look forward to a bunch of videos with you guys next week. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And until next time, I'll see you real soon.